Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today we have the How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit video. So this is the kit I worked with in December. Now to be honest, I didn't really work on it at all in December. All of this stuff that I made was pre-filmed in November but went up in December. So I definitely want to share with you guys what went up in December so you guys know what was going on in case you missed anything and you want to see it. I would share what's left of my kit, however practically everything's left. Only what I used on this pages is gone, so I'm not going to really go through that. So this will just be a quick flip through of my December daily 2016 that I've been working on for 2 years now. Well, yeah, I worked on it last year and then I'm working on it this year. So I'm just going to dive into where this year started on work on it. Let's just find it. Now I did a lot last year, I just didn't finish it. I actually almost ran out of pages. These page protectors are not this like normal page protectors. So this was the first page I made this year, a nice pink and blue theme. This was really fun to work on. I would say that this one's not my favorite page, but I did get to work with new items, lots of different brands, and I'll have all the process videos linked down below. I believe almost all of the 12 days of Christmas Stories Hop was in here, and if you guys saw that, you would have seen most of these. So this was the first page that I did. Then next up I have a traditional color scheme here. I have the red and the green, oops, on the left and the right this time. Very festive. I did the same ornaments so you kind of get that flow of the same sort of spread. Again, just gift wrapping. I haven't added the journaling in yet or anything, but again, not my favorite spread. This one might be my favorite spread. I really loved how this one turned out with like the journaling spot left over and all of the acetate. Really cute. Love the blue. And then I did this fun flip through insert thing. Now, I had a lot of questions about this on the video. This is the second one I've done. I did one in the beginning of this album, which I'll show you guys in a second, but this one's, I almost wish I tried to span it here across these two instead of these two, because this is very wonky, although I don't know, it would have fit, but it would have been dangerous, you know what I mean? But I'm really happy with how this turned out. I like how you can feel the texture and stuff, which means you need extra adhesive. If you plan on doing one of these, use extra adhesive. Highly recommend. But this is the second one that I've done of these. First one's actually at the front of the album, and it's a giant file folder, so it's a fit full photos in there. Definitely love this one. This one was one of my favorites that I made last year. And I have to say that this divider from this year was also really fun to do. It definitely adds something new, and I could put it in the top two or the bottom two. I think it's safer in the top two so it doesn't fall out of the album. This way it just falls into more of the album. And then I just put a little decoration on the back, which I don't think I showed in any of the process videos, but I did that just to have something there because it was quite plain. And then I jumped right into another pink and blue color scheme. These kind of match, so it kind of goes together, but a little bit weird. But I don't necessarily need a full cohesive album, especially for December. There's so many different Christmas and holiday products out there that I don't mind jumping around. It's like Ellie Studio, My Mind's Eye, Pink Fresh Studio, Cheeky Studio, Speak 'em Up Scraps, all of them kind of just go hand in hand. And then Fancy Pants, and then Wild Whisper on this one. This one might be my favorite. I lied. I know which one's my favorite. This one didn't take, it took long, but I was also filming my Patreon video, so I did this all in real time on my Patreon, which I always have linked down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. So this is one of their exclusive videos, but I did do a sped up version here on YouTube, but it was really fun to talk out through my process, and this is just a really busy page, which I tend to like quite a bit. Next up is this one, which was rub-on galore. I did only rub-ons on this card plus a couple other accents, but that was really fun to work with. Also really loved making my own stamped background, like hello, super fun. So that was really fun. I liked all of them. And then I have an insert here that I did. This was the last one because I did a couple 12 by 12, which I guess I could show you the 12 by 12 now that I think about it. Okay, we'll do that too. So let's see, how many was that? One, I count this as a full page. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This counts as one page itself. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did 10 pocket pages in December for that album. And I did a couple 12 by 12s. I think one's up here already, which is convenient. There's a stack of layouts sitting next to me, so I want to make sure I grab the right one. Here it is. This one I did for Speak 'em Up Scraps, and I adore it so much. It was actually a scrap lift of one of Jody's layouts, and she's the owner of Speak 'em Up Scraps, and I really love how it came out. Absolutely adore it. I'll do some close-up video of it, but I'll have this link down below. It is over on their channel, which I post there every week, so definitely check them out. And that was when we picked out our tree. Now the other one, I did 2 more. Should be in this bucket here. Okay. Okay, only one's in the bucket, so that's only a little concerning because I have no idea where the other one is. But it's this one. I did this, I think this is my first December page this year that I did. First like Christmassy themed page, so that one turned out really cute. Now as to where the other one is, I have absolutely no idea. It's got like a black background, so I'm not sure. I don't think it's in this pile next to me, but maybe it is. Well, it was with my dog in it. You guys might remember watching it. It was on my channel here. So where the heck could I have put it? It's like a 12 by 12 black plaid piece of paper and I can't find it. That's the state of my craft room right now. That's when you know it's bad, when you can't find a full 12 by 12 layout. Oh, I found it. It's way over there. I'll go grab it. Okay, so here it is. This is the other one that I made. I really liked how this one turned out too, but if I had to pick a favorite, it'd definitely be the first one. This one just appeals to me on so many levels. I love all the textures and dimension, and the colors are up my alley. It's like subtle color, but also like a lot of color at the same time. Really, really love this one a lot. This one might be my favorite over all of the 6x8 pages too. So we'll see, but that's it for my How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit video. Like I said, I could show you the bin that has all of my stuff in it. And it's still full of all the stuff. See, it's still full. You're not missing anything. I did finish off, I think, 2 products. These LE Studio tags, or journaling cards. These are gone. I used all of those. But I talked about these in my favorites video in November. And then also these Heidi Grace rub-ons, which I talked about in that video. I also do empties in that video now too, so all my favorites and empties are in those videos. But that's it for my video. Definitely check out everyone else's down below. You don't want to miss out on what they made this past month. But I hope you guys are having a happy New Year's Eve if you're watching it, or a happy New Year if you're watching it in the new year. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I know several of you said you wanted me to continue making the monthly kits because you really like watching me kit them together and then share what I made with them. So I think I'll keep doing it for quite a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!